installing the tin I thought was going to be an easy task. Turned out to be very difficult.
I've never seen Wade that broken like he was after I tinted the back windows.
It is raining cats and dogs outside. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear us. We are going to do our best to see what we can film, try and talk to you guys the most we can. But today's goal is going to get a maxx air fan in, which I have already marked out. I'm just about to drill the pilot holes and then jump on the top and cut it. Oh, safety first. If you're following us along on Instagram, you would have seen that we had a David.
This is your sign to stop being mean. Send this to someone who's ever been mean to you.
David wasn't happy that I was grinding without safety goggles on, and now
David wasn't the only one, but he was very aggressive about it.
Yes, and we have an OH&S officer on board now.
That's me.
So, safety first.
Yeah, good job. Oh.
We're in it again. I don't know what it is about cutting holes in the van. Always makes me nervous. I'm fine to do all the woodworking stuff because like you can just go buy more material. But like if you cut a hole and it's wrong,
there's no coming back.
There is no coming back. Like what do you do? Do you try and patch it? How do you patch it?
Measure 100 times, cut once.
I have just primed the maxx air fan hole and Dani is cooking us some lunch, but she goes, oh, it's really, really cold. Can you get me my onesie? Where is it? You guys have seen this onesie before. This is what she wants to wear. Look at these guys. It's too cold, Gatinha. Where's your brother? Yeah. She has no interest in going outside. It's wet, it's raining, not happening, huh, Gatinha? So let's go see what is for lunch. Take a quick break and then we'll get back into it. Smells delicious, Danizinha. Oh, there you are, buddy. I was looking for you. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. What's up? Ah. Yeah, I saw Gatinha downstairs. This looks delicious. What do we got here?
Chicken and veggies.
It's like a chicken fajita style going on.
With a base salad.
You get a bit of avocado on there.
I have probably avocado.
Happy days. It smells delicious. Starting to rain so much now. Crazy. What I'm working on now is getting this frame that will be going up onto the roof. So I have my 4 pieces here. We'll glue this up onto the roof and then we can screw down through here into there. You'll see what I mean when I get to it.
The hole is cut. Where is he? He was just working on this frame now that will go in there. But where did he go? Ready? There you are. Oi!
Whoa!
What are you doing?
Make some plans. You're not ready?
Yeah, I already showed them the hole you've made, the frame you've made, and now?
Now we're gonna get the clamp. So we're gonna glue it up, put it on there, let that dry, and then we are gonna tackle something that I've never done before, which is the window tints.
How do you feel about that?
I'm okay because we've got lots of window tinting, so if I make a mistake, we've got plenty to try and make it happen. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's clamp this guy and pull him in.
Does anyone else, when you're concentrating a lot, you stick your tongue out?
You do.
Because that's my thing, because I'm always...
No, it's just you.
So this is what we're using. We're using liquid nails, extreme strength, and it says it can be removed after 8 hours. Ooh. Alrighty, this is what we have. We have clamped everything up. I have 2 on every side. Let's back up a little bit and then I'm going to start tackling the tint. Let's do it. So if you've come here to learn how to tint your car, this is not the video for you. But if you've come here for some pain, a little bit of tears, some laughs, hopefully, this will be the video for you. What we've got so far is I've cut the shape here. I've taken off the door frame because that's what they told me to do on YouTube. So now I need to transfer this to this side, stick it on, and then I should have one door done. But Danny's nephew's birthday is today, so we're gonna go say hi to him, and I think we're gonna call it a night, huh?
Yeah, maybe. We're gonna have some cake.
Yeah, and I don't know what time we're gonna come back, so I think we might actually start tackling that one tomorrow. And then also the frame up here we can let dry, and then we'll throw in the Maxx Air fan tomorrow. I'm gonna be starting the day with taking off these clamps that we have for our Maxx Air fan. Then I can squish in the Maxx Air fan, glue it up, and then call it a wrap on the fan. And then we've only got 2 more holes, I think, left to cut in the van.
We still need to do a leak test, ne?
We will do a leak test, but that's in a few days.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, let it dry.
Okay.
So what I've done here so far, which is the same as what we've done on the skylight, is run a bead of butyl tape all the way around here. And then I've used this foam to build it up. Because we have these ridges here, the shroud kind of sits up a little bit higher. So what we have now, this fits in perfect, and because of that, and we will now run a bit of Sikaflex all the way around the inside of this, stick this down, screw it in, and then more silicone or Sikaflex all the way around here, and then we should have a watertight seal, which we will test in a few days. The skylight, we did the exact same process. We didn't have any water leaks, so this should be as good as that. Okay, so our Maxx Air fan is done and dusted. I have sealed all the way around here. It's looking pretty good, I reckon. It's not a bad job, it's clean. Wait a few days for that to dry, and then we'll do a water test to make sure that no water leaks. I think it'll be okay. It looks like a pretty good job. Also, once we do that water test, I'm going to clean the whole top of this van because I don't want any of those metal filings on top here that can cause rust in the future. So we'll give a good clean and get everything off. Now I'm going to clean up all the top of this, and we're going to start tackling that tint, get back onto that tint. It was a little bit easier looking on the videos yesterday than doing it, but I think once we get one done, get a bit more practice, we'll start figuring out how to do it, and it should become a little bit more of a smoother process. I need to be honest, it's been like 4 days since I have filmed anything for the van. Last year with us was, I was installing the tint on this side. So this one is actually done. This side is not done. This, installing the tint I thought was going to be an easy task, turned out to be very difficult, very time consuming, and I still need to take it to someone to finish off that because I ran out of product. It was super frustrating.
I've never seen Wade that broken like he was after I tinted the back windows. And like, he wasn't in the mood to film, obviously, and I wouldn't get the camera and try to film him because he would just throw the camera at me.
And then because I was working on it for so long and had the car on, like, the battery, the car died, so we couldn't get it out of the factory. There was another problem, and I was like, I need a break from the van just for a couple of days, break from filming, a break from building on the van, just to come back to good.
But we're back now.
We're back. But I got a little bit done, so I got the sliding door here done, I got the passenger side done, but the driver's side I only got one of the little quarter panels. And the back, nothing.
That's the one that broke you.
Yeah, this one here. I didn't realize that you needed to like shrink tin and do all this type of stuff. Trying to learn this technique and it wasn't working, ran out of product, so I'm going to take it somewhere else to get it done.
Oh, you did 80%.
Yeah.
75.
I got some done. Also, we're not in the best environment. It's a bit dusty. It was hard to keep the tent clean, the window clean. I wouldn't attempt it again. Put it that way. My next goal is going to be framing out this window here. So we want to put plywood all the way down top to bottom and then put a window frame on both sides and also on the sliding door. But that's going to be on the next week's video. So we're going to leave you guys here and see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.
Bye.